doctors recommended chemotherapy on me to be done for my cancer. The thought that I thought about is, okay, chemotherapy is not going to be that bad. I'm just going to be sick for a couple of days and I'll get back to my feet. And was I really wrong? I was so wrong. It's nothing to what I thought it was going to be. After my first chemotherapy session, all the side effects started kicking in. I was really nauseated. I couldn't eat at all. There would be days that I would not eat. I tried my best in drinking. For the next couple of days, 3 days or 2 days, I would just throw up. I was on pain medication and on nausea medication. I was in a hospital for like a week. And then once they released me from the hospital, I will be back to the hospital again. And this was because of complications. Maybe I will have chest pain, so I will have a hard time breathing. It was just an experience that I hope nobody has to go through this. An experience that, it made me see life in a different view. It made me, like appreciate everything that I have, no matter how big or small, I appreciate everything. And I just wish in my heart that they will find something better than chemotherapy, that they will come out or they will release something that would be much more helpful than chemotherapy, or much more painless and very much more less harsh to the body. All I can say as advice is that, if you're going through, or if you're going through the same thing that I went through, which is chemotherapy, all I can tell you is that, you're gonna get sick and you're gonna have to be careful around people that are sick, because you could get sick easily. Try to avoid anybody who's cooking your food. Eat food that's healthy, so it could help build your blood white cells, your red cells, anything help build the immune system, because everything in your body is going to be so weak because of the chemotherapy. You might have to maybe in the future go back to the ER for emergency room, maybe because of chest problems, breathing. It's just chemotherapy. Don't think of it as, okay, I'm gonna get sick, it's okay, I can handle it. I don't think anybody would want to go through that. It's something that, of course, we're forced, especially cancer patients, we're forced to handle it. We're forced to not take it, but just forced to handle the effects of it, because there's nothing that we can do once it's in our body system. All I just recommend is just think of something that will keep you going. This chemotherapy, especially being in a hospital for many times, for many days, for many weeks, it's going to make you feel depressed. It's going to make you feel lonely. It's going to make you, give up. But try to think of something that you love doing, something that's going to keep you going no matter what. That's the only thing I can give as an advice, because that's the only thing that made me going. The only thing that made me going was my family, my son, and I'm just not ready to leave. I'm not ready to go. I want to be here. I want to grow old. I want to see my grandchildren. I'm just not ready to leave. It's not my time yet. And, I'm thinking positive. I'm fighting. I'm doing everything possible for myself, and just not having as much stress as before, because that also plays a big factor in your life. And chemotherapy is just a whole new different experience that that you will probably ask yourself, oh, how did I get myself through this, why did this happen? It's nothing that it's something that we can't avoid, if you know how to play it right, but it's just something that it just happens, and it's part of life, and we learn from it, and the only thing you could take out of it is just take out the good of it and learn from it and keep that with you. Just stay positive. That's all I can tell you. And stay strong, because you have to make it. We, as each individual, we have to fight this, and we have it in our hands. And I wish you good luck.